Welcome to this stunning modern contemporary home built for 35 lakh. This home designed with elegance and functionality in mind, this home seamlessly blends modern architecture with natural beauty. Total area of this home is 2,200 square feet. The entrance is both inviting and grand, with stylish wall-mounted lights adding warmth to the exterior. A beautifully designed gate welcomes you in. The large windows allow for ample natural light. Right in front of the home, a charming water fountain adds a sense of tranquility and elegance. A small sit-out can be a perfect relaxation spot with the right furniture. A well-designed living room balances comfort and functionality. A cozy sofa set serves as the focal point. A stylish center table adds convenience. A well-placed TV unit enhances entertainment. Incorporating a prayer area within the living room. A courtyard between the living room and dining area brings a refreshing, open feel to your home. This dining room exudes sophistication with its sleek marble-top dining table and comfortable upholstered chairs, creating a perfect setting for meals and gatherings. The big glass door shelf offers both storage and display space, adding functionality while maintaining an airy, modern feel. This elegant floating staircase seamlessly blends wood and metal, creating a sleek and contemporary look. This wash basin setup exudes modern elegance with its sleek black countertop basin. This kitchen features a sleek and modern design with a perfect blend of style and functionality. The wooden finish cabinets with white accents provide ample storage while maintaining a warm and inviting look. This first bedroom offers a cozy and elegant ambiance with a modern yet minimalistic design. The wooden finish sliding wardrobe provides ample storage, complementing the room's contemporary aesthetic. The second bedroom exudes warmth and elegance with its neatly arranged furniture and soft lighting. A classic wooden bed with a beautifully carved headboard adds a touch of traditional charm. The room features two large windows with stylish blinds. The wooden steps add warmth and natural charm, while the black metal railing ensures durability and a stylish contrast. The upper living area is a spacious and stylish space that serves as a comfortable lounging spot for family gatherings. The third bedroom is a cozy and well-designed space that combines comfort with functionality. It features a stylish wooden bed with built-in storage, complemented by a soft pink unicorn-themed bedsheet that adds a playful touch. A sleek sliding wardrobe provides ample storage, while a compact dressing unit with a mirror enhances convenience. The fourth bedroom is a well-designed and inviting space, offering both comfort and functionality. It features a modern wooden bed with built-in storage, complemented by earthy tone bedding with floral patterns. Large windows with stylish blinds allow ample natural light while ensuring privacy. The neutral color palette, combined with wooden accents,